Some people alleged to be BJP workers demolished several vehicles belonging to Indian National Congress at Kakching Khunou on the late night of 2nd March 2022. According to reports from the site of the incident, it is alleged that some people purported to be BJP workers came inside a camp located at a house of INC candidate Tingam Risike's worker in Suknu Ashi and destroyed everything at their site. The demolished items include 2 Maruti Gypsies, 1 Hyundai Santro car, 1 Mahindra Bolero 7 Activa and 1 Yamaha R15 bike. Speaking on the incident, INC worker Tingam Prem Kumar asserted that the incident happened late night at around 10 p.m. yesterday in Tingam Ningthau Laikai following a quarrel over the conduct of a musical event by the BJP supporters near the campsite. Suknu Asia MLA K. Ranjit also came in to inspect the site of the demolition, a report said.
Haiba Musing Aduna, Ikogi, Mapamasida, Ikogi, speaker Palaga, Mko Isai Kongzi, Adu Tosi, Adatosi Haiba, Koinangaba, Koitabadagi, Makuna Karigumba, Haiba, Tongsing Adu Torota, Kanasa, Tolakani Haina, Singnabadagi, Ikoina Lakliba, Ikoi Adugumba, Musing Aduda, Inauxing Actani, Angsing Actani, Ikoi Ahalina, Ikoina Haibatam, the request of Matam, the Yagan, Kanbadagi, Makogi Manaka, Sansilaga, Nakoi Shumaina Togunu, Nakoi. Sat Crow, Natragadi, so it's not Kanasa number 2, the Nungaite, and a quite Hungron, Haibatamda, Makoi number 2, accept Davida, and going to Onzalaga, Ibuyam Tina, Atimaka Tira, Saiba Horake, BJP candidate Lai Haibagi Matagum, Damkata, or Kanda, Kudimapu, Namtanaba, Sugunu Kendra, INC, Kakching Khunou, the INC was supported by Brazil Simbu, Namtanaba Honeribasi, Ikoi Yamnakana, Kademtawi, Mashi Yaninga, Fundok, Maramaduna, Maria Nava, Ikogi. Ishagi officer Shingo, Singa Asiguma Tong, Sibu, Yangshin Birakanda, even Nasiki Kai to Riva, Garishing at the Gomcoina Toriba, Tong Sigi Matata, Lokat Payaba, Excel, Lokat Pinogi Damata, 39 Sugnu Eshigi, INCG, support Wina Lazari.